Jaod bura Siaya Christine Ombaka koro dwaroni jatend migawo mar thieth Nakhumicha ogwe tao nikech okoso tieko ng'anyo mar lakteche masani koro osekalo dwe achiel. Koloso romo mar jokanyo mag ODM e gweng' magem, Ombaka owacho ni Nakhumicha onego we tich nikech jopiny mang'eny osebedo ka wito ngimagi kaluwore gi piny owacho kod Nakhumicha tamore chopo winjruok kod lakteche. Ombaka bende owacho ni jopiny mang'eny wito ngimagi nikech gimako tuoche ma inyalo geng' kod thiedho ka otim dwach lakteche.
We are a careless nation, a careless government that has allowed people or have allowed nurses and doctors to go on strike this long. It's too long. The strike could have lasted one day. We have a system that must listen. We cannot defy the plight of doctors. They have genuine issues that they're raising. And if the Minister of Health cannot listen, then she should pack and go. She's not serving anybody. We don't see the value of having that minister there. We are just seeing people dying, the doctors are in the streets, and life is becoming unbearable. I'm taking this chance to warn and to advise the CS to take charge. She's letting us down as women, because a woman should be one that takes care of life of a family.
Jaod